Werner, people will be familiar with Danfoss, no doubt, but perhaps for those who would be living under a rock, maybe you could mention a little bit about the company, please.
I guess you could call us a large-ish, medium-sized industrial conglomerate divided into three business segments, what we call Danfoss Climate Solutions, Power Solutions, and Danfoss Drives. We do around $7 billion revenue internationally. We're all over the world. We have upwards of 70 factories.
What AM solutions did Danfoss explore?
We looked at everything that was available on the market, and we've been doing this for a few years, and we couldn't find anything suitable. So one of our material suppliers, who are an investor in CASTOR, actually put us onto CASTOR. We ran a trial, and we found the software for our purposes to be perfectly suitable. One of the reasons why we're adopting the software as well, we have upwards of 1 million part numbers. It's impossible to do that on a manual basis, to try and cover that number of part numbers without decent software to do the job.
So the next topic we're going to look at is finding the right parts for AM.
We're trying to automate the manual process to identify the right parts for additive manufacturing, and we're doing that based on CAD files analysis, both technically and economically. Big advantage of using software is to analyze thousands of parts at once. And in the technical aspects, we're relying on two pillars: materials and geometry, which means what is the best match materials properties that matches the traditional manufacturing materials properties in the light of the preference of the user. We're doing some interesting stuff, for example, to identify opportunities for parts consolidation and to identify opportunities for weight reduction. So parts consolidation is a very unique algorithm that we have that identify adjacent parts out of large assemblies that make sense to be combined to a single part. And as a single part, they are cheaper than the traditional manufacturing method.